Hello, I'm Mia. Listen, repeat, and have fun.
My name is Mia, and today I must visit the local post office. I need to send an important package to my friend living abroad. Before leaving home, I carefully checked the address written on the box. I also added a return address to avoid any delivery problems. I placed the package in my bag and walked to the post office. The post office building looked busy, with many people entering and exiting. Inside the post office, I saw a long line near the service counter. I joined the line and held my package tightly in my hands. A large poster explained different delivery options for international mail. Another poster showed various stamp designs available at the post office today. I watched postal workers sorting letters quickly behind the counter area. One worker placed envelopes into separate bins based on delivery destinations. Another worker weighed small parcels using a digital scale on the desk. The clerk called the next customer, processing each mailing request very efficiently. I listened carefully to understand how other customers sent packages abroad. A woman in front of me bought several colorful stamps for her envelopes. A man asked the clerk about express delivery for important business documents. The clerk explained express delivery included tracking numbers and guaranteed arrival dates. I moved forward slowly as the line continued to shorten little by little. I checked my package again to ensure the tape remained secure and tight. I saw postal boxes on the side where people dropped small letters. Some boxes were labeled for local mail and others for international mail.
If you like this video, press like, subscribe, and write your favorite phrase in the comments.
A postal worker emptied the boxes and carried letters to the sorting area. I noticed a sign offering help with filling out customs declaration forms. Some customers sat at a table completing customs forms for foreign packages. The line moved forward, and I finally stood close to the counter. I saw a scale, sticker printer, pens, and tape near the clerk's station. When my turn came, I greeted the clerk and placed my package down. She asked if the package contained anything fragile or valuable inside. I explained it contained only soft items that would not break easily. She weighed the package carefully and checked the written address twice. She entered the address information into the postal computer system. The clerk asked which delivery service I preferred for international shipment. She showed prices for standard, registered, and express delivery options. I chose registered delivery because it included a detailed tracking number. The clerk printed a shipping label and attached it neatly to my package. She asked me to sign a form confirming the registered delivery request. I signed the form and returned it to her politely and quickly. She printed a receipt containing the tracking number for my package. I placed the receipt safely into my pocket for future reference. The clerk explained how I could track the package online anytime.
If you like this video, press like, subscribe, and write your favorite phrase in the comments.
She stamped the package with a bright red international shipping mark. After stamping, she placed the package into a large sorting cart. I thanked her for helping me send the package correctly today. She smiled kindly and wished me a successful and easy delivery. I stepped aside to allow the next customer to approach the counter. I noticed another window offering money orders and postal banking services. A customer asked about renewing a post office box for personal mail. The clerk explained the annual fee and provided an application form. I walked toward the table with pens and forms near the entrance. I returned the extra customs form because I no longer needed it. I looked at brochures about sending large packages through postal services. One brochure described packaging rules for heavy or oversized shipments. Another brochure explains safety regulations for mailing restricted items. I approached the stamp display to look at new commemorative stamp sets. The stamps showed historic buildings, famous writers, and colorful animals. I decided to buy one small set to use for future letters. A postal worker helped me choose stamps suitable for international postcards. I paid at the small counter near the stamp display window. The worker handed me a tiny envelope containing all the purchased stamps. I placed the small envelope of stamps into my bag for later use. I saw a customer using the self-service machine to weigh his parcel. The machine printed postage labels after calculating the correct delivery cost. A woman asked the postal worker for help using the self-service station. The worker explained each step clearly, showing how to apply the sticker.
If you like this video, press like, subscribe, and write your favorite phrase in the comments.